Hello everyone, my name is Subhranshu Shekhar Raut and this is my Coursera course project. In this presentation, I will walk you through a machine learning project I have designed on the topic bug predicting using machine learning. Let's get started. So, bug prediction is a powerful use case for machine learning. Developers spend a significant portion of their time identifying and fixing bugs. This process is often repetitive and driven by historical coding patterns, which is ideal for machine learning. We have plenty of data in the form of version control history, commit logs, and bug reports. Automating this with ML can reduce time, improve software reliability, and save costs, making it a highly attractive problem to solve. From a business perspective, the goal is to help developers prioritize their testing efforts by flagging code that's more likely to contain bugs. From a data science perspective, we treat this as a classification problem. The model will learn to label whether a source file or class is likely to be buggy based on their characteristics. Success is defined both from a business and model performance point of view. If our model helps reduce the number of critical bugs that make it into production, that's a clear win. On the ML side, we will use metrics like precision, recall, F1 score, and AUC to evaluate our model. The main output will be a prioritized list of potential buggy files that developers can review. The model will rely on several key features. These include matrices like lines of code, number of code churn. We will also consider metadata like the number of developers who edited the file, time since last update, and the file's bug history. All of these help the model form a picture of which files are riskier than others. To validate our solution, we will start by using open source datasets from GitHub that have annotated bugs. We will use cross validation during model training to check performance. After that, we can deploy a prototype and gather feedback from developers. An A by B testing approach comparing model flagged files to actual post release bugs can help us refine the model. Here are the three main design decisions. First, we will deploy our system in the cloud since it can integrate easily with CI/CD pipelines and run compute intense models. Second, we will offline learning because code evolves slowly and does not require real-time model updates. Lastly, we generate predictions in batch mode. For example, before each major release, since we do not need instant alerts. Risks in production. Like all ML systems, ours may face issues in production. Concept drift could offer if developer behaviors or code practices change over time. Data drift might happen if new tool or framework are introduced. Since we rely on batch inference, latency is not a big concern, but we must ensure pre-processing steps are consistent to avoid training serving skew. To conclude, bug prediction with ML is a valuable tool to boost software quality and efficiency. It offers developers a proactive way to identify risky code before it causes problems. In the future, this system can be integrated into developer tools like IDEs or CI pipelines, making it a seamless part of the software development process. Thank you for watching. The link of the project's video presentation will be included here. I am looking forward to your feedback and insight. Have a great day.